Hi, I'm Mark with At My Home, and today we're going to take a quick look at the LULULOOK Laptop Stand. So, I needed a way when we do live broadcast to have my laptop in there. So, we got the LULULOOK stand. Now, this is in gray, but it also comes in silver. So, hold on. Let's see what it looks like. This is the stand. It's pretty heavy. It's got a solid base, solid metal arm here, solid base here. And by the way, this is all rubberized, so you don't have to worry about scratching your laptop. Plus, it doesn't slip around as much. It also has a little foot that you can adjust up. Then when you put your laptop in, it doesn't fall off. And of course, since it's on that rubber, it doesn't slide very easy. The other thing is it comes with a rotating base. You can actually hear the rotation, but it's not loose or anything else. Very strong. And the stand is hard to adjust, which is great because, well, let me take this off here. You don't want it moving on you, right? So in order to change it, got to give a little bit of push or a little bit of pull. And the same thing with his arm. So very well built. I mean, I can't get over it. It's really much better than I expected. I didn't expect it to be so big, strong and not wobbling, and it doesn't wobble at all. And check this out. It's on the laptop. It doesn't fall over. I got to push. I can't get it to fall over, which was a worry. And then, of course, if I want to open the laptop, so the nice thing now is, you see, it fits nicely, perfectly on there. And I can type away on the keys, no problem at all. And that's it. That's the LULULOOK Laptop Stand. Thank you for watching.